I want success. I imagine what I want. Believe in it, then achieve it. I don't care what other people think. I'm not looking back, only forward. I hang out with other high achievers. I focus on what I want until I get it. Failure is a temporary condition. I am proud of what I have achieved. I snatch victory from the G's of defeat. I have the courage to be who I want to be. I'm happy now. Would I fail? I find my true desire to succeed. If I survive, I win. I am not afraid. I chase my dreams easily. I can stand for anything.